What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can upload 1 minute story on your Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to on your Instagram app. After going to Instagram app, you can see I have already added a story on Instagram that has 1 minute long. So how you can add it, what you need to do, you have to click on your story icon just like this. Then you have to choose the video that you want on the story. Then after choosing the video, you have to click on the icon just like this in the bottom left corner, right corner. Then what you need to do, you have to click on share. After clicking on share, you have to click on done. So after clicking on this, so here is the tricky part. If you want to upload 1 minute long story, what you need to do, you have to choose a option to upload your story from your gallery. So if you are sharing from Reels to your story, this will not be able, you will not be able to upload 1 minute long. So this is how you can upload your 1 minute long story in your Instagram. I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.